Hey, welcome to my channel. I am Twinkle Tejaswini. So today we will learn about how we can create a free Azure account. Firstly, we go to a search engine and search here Azure Free Account. Click on the first link. Then here we have two options. First is pay as you go and second is free Azure account. So in the Azure account, we get 20 plus popular services for 12 months and free monthly amounts of 65 plus always free services. Then also no upfront commitment. We can cancel anytime and move to a pay as you go pricing to continue beyond 30 days. Whereas in pay as you go, you have not to require any action to continue beyond 30 days. Also, you get the 20 plus services same as the free account and 65 always free services there. Then in free account you get $200 credit and for the 30 days, so you can use the $200 credit in the 30 days. After the 30 days it will be expire. So for creating this account we have to create on a try Azure for free. Here you will get the two options. First is sign in with your already existing Microsoft account or click on the create one. So here today I am creating a new account. Just entering your Gmail ID. I'm entering mine. Then we will receive an OTP on our mail. Just I'm checking my mail for an OTP from Microsoft. Yes, it is received and it is 544359. Okay. Then we have to enter our details, that from which country I am creating this account and what's our date of birth and other things. After that, we have to enter our name. If you want to get the information or tips, you can select this or you can go further. I'm going this. After that, press and hold. We have to prove that we are human. Done with the process. Yeah. So, profile information. How do you plan to use this account? I am using it for my personal use. Then our details. After that, the job title, phone number, it's an option details. Then we go further. Let me enter my phone number, company name. Okay. Then we go for the next address. And agree with the Microsoft details. I would like to share my details to the Microsoft, then go further. Then you have to enter your credit card details because the Microsoft is not taking any money from it. It's also guaranteed that your credit card wouldn't be automatically charged until you move to pay as you go pricing. So for the different accounts, it is letting us to use the credit card. Another person not able to create the different account with your credit card. Okay, so a single person can use a single credit card and a single account. Then I have to click on the sign up button. Then you will receive an OTP from your account for a verification. Entering and confirm it. Now it will be navigate to you Azure Portal. After completion, it will show you this. And here I have $200 in credit remaining, and for more I will go to the upgrade to a pay as you go. And this is our services here, and also on the dashboard all the use services will show here, and this is our Azure dashboard, the home. Okay, so if you navigate to this part, it will show you that you have completed the sign up option, and to access your account you have just to go to the portal.azure.com, and then you can proceed with your practical things. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.